WeatheRate certified San Diego's most accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather. Sponsored by Armstrong.
It's 10 News Pinpoint weather anchor Jennifer Delacruz tracking fog, rain. What else you got going on tonight?
Well, we're going to see more sunshine tomorrow. So it's pretty overcast today. We should see our skies clearing a little bit to end your weekend for tomorrow, but we will see that fog that's already started making its way into San Diego County. Your temperature right now downtown is 62 degrees, humidity at 86%. The winds are coming from the north-northeast. Hour by hour on the coast, we're going to keep it in the 60s for the most part, dropping down to the upper 50s by about 4 a.m. That patchy fog, though, moving in more so after 10 o'clock tonight. We're going to see some of that fog rolling in. Our inland community is also going to see that fog in addition to our coastal areas. So 59 degrees by about 8 o'clock, in the lower 50s as we head into the early morning hours, and then we should see more sunshine tomorrow than we did see today. So pretty overcast for today. That should be changing to a mild end to your weekend tomorrow. Your daytime high on the coast is 69 degrees, 73 for our inland valleys, more sunshine for our mountains and our deserts. 60 degrees for the mountains and 76 for the desert. So it's been pretty overcast today because there's been a storm that's been coming from the south. So we've seen some of that fog moving in tonight in addition to our cloudy skies that we've seen today. So that patchy fog tonight lingering through the early morning hours. Tomorrow, fog stretching into some of our inland valleys. Visibility at times will be less than 1 mile. Our big picture, though, is that rain that's moving in for the first time in quite some time. A low pressure system, the jet stream dropping all the way down into Southern California. Rain coming in Monday, strengthening though on Tuesday. That's going to be the bulk of the storm for Tuesday and then lingering through Wednesday. So our coast and our inland areas could see up to 1.5 inches of rain, 2.5 inches for our mountain areas. Our 7-day chance of rain, this particular model is a little more sensitive, so it has those showers moving in on Monday, peaking on Tuesday though, and then tapering off through Wednesday, and then we'll be warming up with more sunshine for next weekend. Over the next 4 days, that patchy fog lingering through tomorrow morning. Showers start moving in on Monday. The heaviest that we're going to see the rain will be on Tuesday. Showers start tapering off through the afternoon on Wednesday. Your overnight lows tonight dropping down to 47 in El Cajon, 49 in Kearney Mesa, 52 in Carlsbad, and 45 tonight in Oceanside. Your 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast. Mild on the coast tomorrow, 69 degrees. Rain starts moving in on Monday, peaking Tuesday, tapering off on Wednesday. Your overnight lows are in the low 50s. Inland communities, more sunshine for tomorrow, but the rain moving in Monday through Wednesday is certainly going to be a nice change for us. Our mountains and deserts, pretty mild to wrap up your weekend tomorrow, but we're at a deficit of about 3 inches. So we should have had more rain by this time in our rainy season. So certainly going to be a welcomed change in San Diego County.
And it looks like a sure thing. It's coming.
It's coming.
All right. Thanks, Jen.